Hello. Today we're going to learn last concepts in the first chapter, and they are the meaning of simulation and its advantages. Simulation means the process of designing a mathematical logical model from a real system and testing this model with a computer. It means that in addition to modeling, the simulation do the testing and implementing the simulation. It means that if you cannot do the test in a real system, you can do the modeling. Then based on the simulation softwares, you can do your simulation and its testing. There are some advantages that are very clear. First is there is no need to build a real system. Means that you have your own system without building a new system in the real world. The second one is that you can do your simulation without any disturbance and do analysis. Maybe you have some problems with this part. Means that after an error or fault in the system, the behavior will change, and you want to analyze this behavior. So you're going to, for instance, do that and analyzes your system without any disturbance, or know the analysis based on the disturbance that the system. As I said, that the Simulink has accepted around the world. You can trust on the results and outputs of Simulink software. The last one is that you're not concerned about the real system destruction. It means that if you're going to do a project in the real world, it will cost a lot. And for example, if you give it some disturbance or errors to test it, it will cost a lot. So in the software, and especially in Simulink, you can do it without any worry about real system destruction, and do it easily and without any worry.